Welcome to our walkthrough on Incremental Static Regeneration, or ISR, with dynamic routes using Next.js. Here we start by importing useRouter from Next.router to access router parameters, and get static paths and get static props from Next, which are essential for static generation and ISR. We've created a functional component named product that receives a product prop. Inside this component you would typically render the product details, such as the name, price, and description. For this example, the body of the component is omitted to focus on ISR and dynamic routing. The getStaticPaths function is asynchronous and fetches paths that need to be statically generated. Here, we've hard-coded the paths for demonstration, but you would typically fetch these from your API or a database. The key part here is the fallback mode set to blocking, which means if the path has not been generated at build time, Next.js will render the page on the server and cache it for future requests. The getStaticProps function also runs asynchronously. It receives a context object containing parameters for each path. Here we simulate fetching product data based on the provided id. Once fetched, we return the product as props to our product component. The revalidate property set to 10 means the page will be regenerated every 10 seconds if there are requests coming in, ensuring that the content remains fresh. And that's a wrap on ISR with dynamic routes in Next.js. Remember that fallback. Blocking provides a smooth user experience by serving a server-side rendered page for non-pre-rendered paths, while revalidate and getStaticProps takes care of updating content at regular intervals, leveraging the best of static generation and server-side rendering. Thanks for watching and happy coding!